Yeah. Welcome back. Y'all see what's going on? We're gonna be reviewing the Lotus Espirit 51. You know what I mean? Pop culture, Boulevard edition Hot Wheels. You know what I mean? Found in the 007 movies. I'm trying to be a little informative, or more informative with these videos, so just break this thing down one time. It was originally was in the Stormbringer, which is kind of like a comic book. But then it's most known for being in the James Bond movie, The Spy Who Loved Me. It was also in 007 Racing and Forza. So you know what I mean? Check this thing out. We got the real rider wheels and tires on there. So no plastic, you know what I mean? I'm gonna show you how that thing rolled in a minute. This thing was produced from 76 to 1978. 4-cylinder, 160 horsepower, 5-speed. Top speed was 138 miles per hour. Nicknamed the Wet Nelly. Forgot to mention that. But yeah, people didn't like it because it was slow, basically. It had the best handling, you know what I mean, had everything on the market, but it was slow. And you see this thing, it rolled real smooth. In the movie, it had air missiles, cement jet sprayer, mines, torpedoes. It was also a submarine. And one last fun fact, Elon Musk, he bought this whip in 2013 at an auction for $997,000. For real. So y'all throw that thing on the table. You know what I mean? See, you got the tail lights, Espirit logo on the side. I mean, black door handles, black mirror. Look at them rubber wheels with them chrome tires, they look good. You know what I'm saying? I like coupes. Coupes probably my favorite type of whip. So this right here is right on my alley. Nice, small, sleek, smooth. It's all there. Be a clean little whip. Mine has some paint on the windshield or underneath the windshield. I don't know. Got a little dot of paint on the windshield, but it's all good. I'll probably get that out later. But in the meantime, look at this thing. Check out some shots. You know what I mean? The angles and the body lines go crazy on it. Yeah, man, smooth whip right here. You know, I had to take a few flicks. You know what I mean? Pose for the camera one time. Lotus Espirit 51. Y'all see what's going on? You know how we do it. Quick, easy, fast reviews of some fly whips. You know what I mean? We're gonna be dropping a lot. Appreciate y'all checking it out. Like, comment, subscribe. Appreciate it.